everyone, welcome back to my video. So today we are in episode 3 of Husbento Boxes. And if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, this is actually my second time filming this video. So what happened was, I was actually filming this video. It was great. Like the first day, got all my groceries and planned out what I was gonna do. Quality was good, but starting the second day, quality got really bad. And I didn't want to present you guys with a video that just looked like I didn't put any effort into it. Like the quality was not up to my standards. It wasn't like the worst, but just couldn't even deal with editing it. So I don't have groceries, guys, because literally halfway through I'm doing this again. But I do have a lot of food that's just in my fridge and freezer. So I'm just gonna use that to make it again. I actually have to make it to a Pilates class on time. So today's gonna be a really quick video. I always have eggs in my fridge, so let's make egg salad sandwich. I already got the egg started.
The potato fries from Trader Joe's are pretty good. Cracker eggs.
What is this? Plain yogurt.
So we have here a brioche bun. Yum. Your lunch.
This is great.
You're like, how do I even do this? I want to fry too.
These sweet potato fries from Trader Joe's are pretty good. Oh.
Good.
Oh.
I added a little bit of the plain yogurt to give it a little tartness, because sometimes it's too like creamy with the mayo and the yolk.
I see. Oh, so good.
Hello everyone, I just came back from a Pilates class, so my hair is looking like a mess, and so is everything here, so just ignore that. We'll make a quick kimbap or fried rice. I am using scraps though that I have in my fridge and my freezer. So for example, I have literally half an onion, 1 block of my oatmeal rice left, which means I have to restock on these. I have some bulgogi from the last time my family hung out. Make a little fried egg on top for extra protein and some extra goodness. Throw in some mini egg rolls into the air fryer. They're from Costco, I think. I'm pretty sure they're Pibigos egg rolls and they're pretty good. So yeah, let's get started.
Start by cutting my vegetables. I personally like a lot of green onions in my anything. I just love green onions. Like when I eat 설렁탕, which is like a beef bone broth soup. Oh my goodness, you guys just see how much green onions I put in there.
So, thank you TeChef. They sent me so much stuff and I love all their pans, very high quality, very non-stick. I love it. So I'm gonna make my fried rice in there.
Mayo is so good in kimchi kimbap. According to some of the research, once it goes into this resistant starch mode, which happens during cooling, so either refrigeration for about at least 24 hours or freezing, it has the same effect. This is another cool pan egg in this.
And there we have it. Hello everyone, I just got out of the shower, but I need to make my husband some lunch. I will be making him some olive oil pasta with tilapia from Costco. If you guys have not tried this crusted tilapia, please do because it's so good. I just like to keep it in my house for emergencies because like if I'm not home and my husband wants some type of protein with his rice or bread or something, he'll go ahead and just cook one of these in the air fryer because it's 17 grams of protein, which is like a decent amount. So yeah, I'm just gonna combine those two. I know this is not really Asian-y, but let's go ahead and cook our spaghetti. I don't know if this is a hack or not, but I like to cook my spaghetti in a shallow pan just so everything can go in at once and I'm not wasting so much water in a pot. And olive oil pasta requires garlic, so I have some freshly minced garlic, not freshly minced, frozen garlic there. We'll need our black pepper and this from Trader Joe's is the best to put in olive oil pasta. Just gonna use olive oil to cook the pasta and like to drizzle this on top. In the meantime, frosted with all this goodness. Water here. Let's go plate this up. No, don't break. Whoopsies. Wow, today's a disaster.
Oh, what is this?
Olive oil pasta with garlic. You can squeeze some lemon on top.
Let's try some of the pasta first.
Okay. Super smelly.
I love garlic. It's so good.
This is literally the easiest olive oil pasta ever.
Let's try with some fish now. It's just good together.
Yeah. Hello everyone! Today's the last part of our episode of Husbento Box series, and today I'm gonna make my husband something that I made for him in the video that I messed up on, the one before this that I did not publish, but it's gonna be Spam Heart Kimbap, and it's really easy to make. These kimbaps are smaller. I'm making a hard-boiled egg right now because I thought it'd be good to add in this box for extra protein. But it's really simple to make, so let's begin by cutting up the Spam that I had used in the previous video, but I just have in my fridge. So let's say you have that can of Spam. We want to cut it the long way. Let's see if I can squeeze 4 out of this. Okay, I think this will be okay. And this is a waste to throw out, so I'm just gonna fry this up, but we can eat it with just rice later. One of my favorites is Bacon sauce. This is literally goes well with everything. It's kind of like a teriyaki sauce, but not. It has a lot of ginger flavor that I like, but I use this in a lot of my cooking. I get this from Costco, literally the best deal. Now, you know, normally I don't use white rice, but
For Spam kimbap, I have to. It's just better this way. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of sesame oil and some salt to this. And that's how we will season the rice. And we're gonna cut these in a diagonal, so like this way, this at an angle. I'll show you guys this because I think it's easier if I just do it. So if you look at it, and then if you go like this, it's a heart. So. First, I'll go ahead and just cut it down the middle. And then I need to get the length of the Spam. I have to cut out this much more. And we'll roll it up. You see the heart? Next part, I promise you, is not that bad. We're just gonna grab a sheet of our seaweed, add rice to it. Down. And roll this up. And it's literally that simple. So do you see? We'll cut into this later to see the final results, but for now, let's continue rolling. So look, it's from the same one, but this one looks okay. This one doesn't, but it's okay because it's a bento box. We can put the not as pretty ones at the bottom. Wow, this one's nice. This one is nice. I'm gonna do this with my hands because I cut it with my hands anyways. So this one's not as pretty. Complete with our last day of bento boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed and kind of got a couple of ideas for your own lunches or for someone that you love. That concludes it, but let me know in the comments if you want me to make an episode 4, and if you have any questions, then let me know, like about specific ingredients or specific like measurements or anything like that, because I didn't really add it. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys on the next video.